Welcome to our channel. Today we how to disable Teams mention alerts and keep only critical pings. Complete guide step by step clearly. To begin, open Microsoft Teams on your computer or mobile device. Navigate to your profile picture or initials at the top right corner of the screen. Click on Settings from the drop-down menu. In the Settings menu, select Notifications from the left-hand sidebar. Look for the section labeled Mentions. You will see a list of options for how you receive alerts for mentions. To disable mention alerts, find the option for mentions. Change this setting from Banner and Feed to only Show in Feed. This will prevent any pop-up notifications while still keeping track of mentions. Next, locate the Chat section under Notifications. Here, you can adjust your notification settings for direct messages and group chats. Set these to only Show in Feed if you want to minimize notifications. Now, return to the main Notifications section. Scroll down to the Other Notifications. You can adjust these to your preference as well. For critical alerts, review the settings labeled Missed Activity Emails. Ensure this is set to receive emails for missed activities once a day. Lastly, check the channel notifications for any team-specific settings. Select Custom to define which channels are critical for notifications. This custom setting allows you to prioritize essential communications only. Review all settings to ensure they align with your preferences. Once satisfied, close the Settings menu. You have successfully disabled Teams mention alerts while retaining critical pings. Now, your team's experience will be more focused and less distracting. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve accounts. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.